Well, here we are. $1 million question is, will it run? Here's the schematic if anybody needs it. You can always look up this video and pause it. Let's see if we're getting spark now. Damn, I didn't even see the spark, but I know we're getting spark. Holy shit, this thing wants to run. All right, I'm freaking pumped right now. That, my friends, is badass. Still waiting on a few things. I ordered a 6-pack throttle cable to fit this throttle cable bracket from Brewers. Have not got it yet. I guess I could put a return spring on there. Here's an oversight on my part. I need vacuum for the brakes, power brakes, and I need vacuum for the headlight doors. And this carburetor does not have a fitting for vacuum, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this carburetor. So that kind of sucks. There's no fittings or anything on the intake manifold. It's a single plane. Everything else looks cool. I gotta hook up gauges to monitor the temperature and oil pressure. Could hook all that up still. Well, I'm pretty stoked this thing runs. I'm just tightening up the electrical right now. I need to go get me some gray wire for the tack. Even though I don't have a tack in the car right now, I want to go ahead and route that, zip tie all the bundles together so it's all nice and tight, and then we're good to go. So we'll continue that tomorrow. I'm going to call it a day. I got to wrap up some connectors too so we don't have any electrical shorts or anything like that. I also know these valve covers are leaking like a sieve. These aluminum ones are just so flimsy. So I know I'm gonna have to pull those back off and just silicone the crap out of them. These are stock rocker arms, so they're not adjustable, so I won't really need to be going in and out of the valve covers. So we're gonna goop them up, silicone it, get rid of any leaks.